Style your apps. To choose a color tint for all your apps, touch and hold the home screen, tap Edit, then tap Customize. Customize Control Center. Add and rearrange your controls so they're always a swipe away. Open Control Center, then tap plus. Drag controls to rearrange them, or tap Add a control. Swap out your lock screen controls. Touch and hold the lock screen, tap Customize, then tap Lock Screen. Tap to remove a control, then tap plus. Say it your way. Express yourself with bold, italics, underline or strike through, or even add animated effects. To get started, tap =A. React with the perfect emoji. Double tap any message, then choose an emoji or sticker. Tap to see more. Schedule a message. In Messages, tap hashtag, then tap Send Later. Choose a date and time, then tap to schedule your message. Lock or hide an app. Add another layer of privacy. Touch and hold an app, then tap Require Face ID. You can even choose to hide third-party apps.